Hello, my name is Aimal Zikry. Today I'm going to demonstrate on how to do the lab 2, which is RTS simulator and implementation. First of all, we create a new project and then we press the next and then we press the next until for the add source we press the net and then we need to choose the board. We need to choose the correct one, which is the correct board is this one, and then we click finish, and then it will initialize the project. So we wait for a second, then we will add the source. So next is we will add the source, we press it and create design source and create machine, and we press next and then finish it and name it as GCD core 1, and then we press finish, and this is the for simulation 1. And the next one we need to do for the test bench, and first of all we need to add source and repeat the same step, and we press the next, and then we need to create file and name it, and then we finish it, and that's all for the test bench. I have compute all the code that required for the lab in the simulator code and for test bench. You can see this is a test bench code that I use it in my lab, and you can see I apply it on the ceiling. This for test bench and the simulator. So when I run it, you can see there's a green light over there, which means there is no error on my coding, and I will show you how the simulator run. So when I run the simulator, it will be loading for a while, and you can see that the project is running, and you can see so this is our waveform. The waveform before we set the ready to assign the decimal. In order to set the assign the decimal, go to symbol cursor on variable name and right click on it and choose ready and assign the sigma. I will repeat also for B, and I will do it for R also, which is the output. And this is the result, the waveform before and after we set the ready, and the last one in RTN of sanitized output. For the next part, I will run the implementation, then I press yes. It will take few time to wait until it will pop up, and you just need to wait, and if not you just press it again, run implementation until it will pop up like this, and we press the yes. I will put the implementation, then press the yes, and then we press the yes and wait, and you can see that this is implemented design, and you can see that here LUT is stand for lookup table, and FM is for flip-flop, VRAM ROM, and you can see that this is the power, which is tension temperature increase, and finally for the conclusion, this lab have taught me a new thing about the RTS simulation and implementation. By complete this lab, I will able to write the code of the test bench for the simulation and verification of the circuit design. The test bench is a code or module that employ hardware description language HDL to define the simulation truth to the circuit design and determine if the design output meet its specification. On the other hand, it used to check the accuracy of design or model. Next is I accomplish a goal of being able to write the RTL operation in the Verilog code. So that's all for me. Thank you.